Welcome to the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum, a time machine where the past isn't just displayed, it's alive. Here, history breathes through fine fabrics, roaring engines, and now, even the open skies.
So we started the Fountainhead Museum as its primary focus being automobiles, specifically technology. But as we worked on that, it became more apparent that we needed to connect the people who drove these cars and the historic photo collection that we have in the museum. We needed to bring the people who were in the photos to life on the floor of the museum.
The materials they used in the early wax mannequins, well, all through their manufacture almost, was wax for the skin tones, porcelain, normally teeth, and glass eyes. Real human hair was normally what they used, quite often implanted by hand, hair by hair. And these were important because they were realistic, and realism was the goal. Wax revolutionized the head of the mannequin. It made them look like a real person. They're so dynamic and so lifelike that when they wear a period dress next to a car that was manufactured in the same year as the dress, the era just leaps out at you.
Step closer, and Alaska's transportation history grows louder. More than 100 rare automobiles are maintained not as relics, but as road-ready machines. Engines fire, gears engage, and these masterpieces still roll through Fairbanks streets.
I think what the Fountainhead Museum is doing is great, because you're in an area where there's probably a lot of car enthusiasts, there's just not a lot of cars. So I think all automotive things will focus around that museum, whether it's Duesenberg's or whatever it might be. Snowmobiles, I don't know. To bring back something which, just for the pure joy of bringing it back. Yeah, I think it's great. I think it's terrific. Thank you, Fountainhead Auto Museum.
Dan, we're going to take this out for a spin.
You gonna let me try?
But to quote my granddad when he dealt with me as a child, "Damn it, boy, pay attention."
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
All right, so we're going to start the car. We're going to get a little bit of throttle. We're going to advance the timing just a touch. Turn on the ignition. Crank it to start it. Once it's started, we're going to give it a little bit more advance, give a little throttle, pull it into gear, and away we go. Now we advance the throttle, we get up to speed, the engine's turning fast, we want to shift, we bring the throttle back, we put it in neutral, we bring the retarder back, we slow the engine down. Once it's slowed down, we go into high gear, we advance the timing and the throttle again. Away you go. Simple. Got it?
So, throttle.
Hello, Dan. How we doing?
I'm good. I'm ready. Is this car ready?
Should be.
It doesn't.
Let's try.
It doesn't look like it's big enough for me.
Get in. Don't jump in.
Oh yeah, no. I think it would split in half if I jumped. Okay, careful. There we go. Okay. All right. So how do we start it up?
Oh, there we go. Seatbelt on.
Yeah. Yeah, we have those.
And away we go.
These cars aren't parked in the past. They drive forward, carrying the craftsmanship and ingenuity of their time into ours. Keeping them road-ready isn't an act of nostalgia. It's preservation in motion. Behind the scenes, the museum's docents carefully maintain every car, ensuring these machines can still come to life and move. And now, the time machine spreads its wings. The museum's newest edition celebrates aviation, the next great leap in human mobility.
we've realized now is to tell the Alaska transportation history, we have to incorporate aviation and what aviation meant. In our new location, we will have a much bigger canvas to paint a larger story. Right now, at the existing museum, we can display approximately 80 vehicles. We have 135, but this new location will allow us to put all of the collection out. For rotation, we will change the story, not take the cars off the floor, but redirect the story to create an immersive experience. We do that with the cars, we do it with the clothing, and we do it with photography exhibits and the stories that we tell. Our goal will be that visitors, when they leave, feel inspired, knowing that they've learned something special about Alaska and Alaska's transportation history.
The Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum isn't simply a museum. It's a living chronicle of motion. Fashion, automobiles, and aviation weave a single narrative: Alaska's unstoppable desire to go farther and faster.
Here at the Fountainhead Antique Auto Museum, we have so much content we want to share with you. Please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe right now.